Good evening, people. It is me, Dr. Dagga. I know some people are going to be asking,
Dr. Dagga, where did you go? Dr. Dagga, how come you haven't made a video in so long? Oh my gosh, Dr. Dagga.
to those people, I say, mind your business, okay? Don't watch me, alright? You're not too fast, alright? Anyways, Dr. Dagga is back. I'm gonna make a video regular for the people them. For those of you who don't know who Dr. Dagga is, I am a sexpert of sorts, a punaniologist, and I just know certain things. So if you have relationship and sex questions, you can ask Dr. Dagga. So before we go into the first question, I'm kind of thirsty, so I'm gonna get something to drink, before we get in and do something.
Dear Dr. Dagga, if a guy sends you a dick pic, does that mean he's only after sex?
If you go home, right, and you see a eviction notice on your door, right, does that mean them want you to get out? Yes, them want you to leave. So if a man send you a body pic, what that mean, eh? Him want the pum pum. At the pum pum him want. Because if a man want to date you, I'm gonna say,
Hey, how's it going? I was wondering if I could maybe take you out sometime or something like that.
when the ladies say, like honesty. And a cocky picture is one of the most honest way a man can say him want some pum pum. If you're not really looking for just sex and them something there, right? You can either you could ignore the cocky picture, or you can tell him off. You can say, hey, dirty stinking rich, don't send me.
No, Dr. Hey, don't send me no cocky picture no more, Ah.
Yes, if a man send you a cocky picture, that means that him want the pum pum. Nothing more, nothing less. Him just want some pum pum.
Should you forgive a guy who's cheated on you more than once?
Everybody make mistake, If a man cheat on you and you choose to forgive him and try to work things out and work out the relationship, that's good. That's alright, and there's nothing wrong with that. And nobody can fault you, nobody can cuss you, right? Even though your friends are gonna be like,
Why you still with him? Blah, blah, blah.
tell your friend them to mind them business. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. That may I say. So if a man cheat on you and you forgive him and everything nice and whatever, but if he cheat on you again and that man is not for you. If the man say that the first time him cheat on you and it hurt you, right, in a good, then why man do that again, eh? Why man hurt you again? So that mean him not really care. I mean him care, but him not care that much. It means him care about himself more than him care about you. If somebody come box you in your face, right, and you allow it, if you see them come and try boxing in your face again, you gonna let them box you? No, you're not gonna let them box you. You're gonna poof and box them. No. Trust in a relationship is a very fragile thing, right? So once the trust has been broken, it's a very hard thing to get back. 8 times out of 10, that's just it. Really and truly too, if you say, a man cheat on you and you're gonna give him a second chance or whatever. Because if you play say, me forgive him, but every second you bring up the past and I throw it in the man's face, it's not gonna work out. You really have to forgive. I mean, you're not gonna forget because you can never forget. But if you really forgive, forgive 100%. 110, me change my mind.
Dr. Dagga, if you don't make a man come when you're down there, does that mean you're not doing it right?
Yes, why I do? The man fi come, eh? Him fi come. About 6 out of 10 women don't really know how to give proper headers. There's 2 types of women, right? There's women that give head, and there's women that like giving head, right? And when a woman likes giving head, the man are gonna come, right? So if you're just giving head just for the sake of doing it, there's no heart, right? Have you ever had food, right? And then when someone puts love in the food, like they put their blood, sweat and tears in the food, right? Because they don't want to make sure the food tastes nice and good up, right? That's the same thing, right? So if a girl is giving you head and she puts her heart and soul in her and everything in there, you're gonna come. But if a girl I just give you head just because, and if a girl I just cook just because, it not go good. Hey, how about that? Eh? How about that? If you give a man a headers, right, and them don't have them make them type of sound or face, yeah. Oh my god. No. If the man now make them type of face there, you now do it right? If him toes up now curl up and look like one vulture, one of them bald eagle there, one of them just latch up them prey. If the man toes now go like this, you now do it right. I mean, there are some occasions where a man, you know, him want some of the cum too. So if you're doing it too good, then him know say him a go come, and then after him come, him done off, right? So he may pause it, you know, look at TO, time out type of thing, so him can last and continue the session, right? But for the most part, if every single time you get a man headers and him not come, you need to retire. You're not good. Your head game is weak. You need some lessons, boo-boo. Okay? You need some lessons, boo-boo.
Dr. Dagga, if you're in a relationship, do you think it's wrong if you go through your partner's phone? But if they got nothing to hide, why should it matter?
Alright, Inspector Gadget. Alright, here what? If you are in a relationship, there should be some sort of boundaries, right? Because without boundaries, then, you know, you're just bound to get into some fights and all them someday. So you have to respect each other's privacy, because it all goes back to trust. If you don't trust this person, you don't have to be with them. So if you have to be looking through this person's phone, hiding in bushes, you know, all sort of something, stalking them out on Instagram, this is a sign that you probably should not be with this person. You're not fit there with them. If you want to read something, go read a book instead of reading your girlfriend or boyfriend's message them. Go read a book. Oh, too fast. So yes, people, thank you for joining me for another episode of Dr. Dagga. If you want me to answer your questions, just send an email to the email address yaso, and I will get your questions answered on a future episode. I mean, I know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna put the episode them every Friday. Every Friday? Friday work for you? You know, every Friday we're gonna do one look at Dr. Dagga session. Yeah. Yes, people, remember you have to wrap it up before you slap it up.